I'm Marcy Bailey. One of my absolute favorite topics to talk about is custom jewelry and our custom workshop. Here at Bailey's, we love to help our clients create the fully custom jewelry of their dreams. If you've been searching for an engagement ring and are considering something custom made just for you, we'll be happy to guide you step by step through the entire process from inspiration to engagement. The great news is that if you have a certain ring in mind that you haven't been able to find, you've already started the custom process. The first step is gathering inspiration. Start thinking about what stone shape you love, what metal color you prefer, elements that are must-haves, and things that you want to avoid. Whether it's pinning on Pinterest, cutting pictures out of a magazine, or even drawing a sketch, load up on inspiration so that we can bring your vision to life. Step 2 is meeting with a Bailey's custom consultant. Be sure to bring your consultant up to speed on all of your inspiration and preferences. They will be able to offer some of their expertise on things that you might love, work with our in-house American Gem Society Gem Lab to pick the perfect diamond or gemstone, and help you put the finishing touches on your big ideas. Next, your custom consultant will turn your vision over to our Bailey's Custom Workshop, who will bring your dream ring to life. They will compile all of your ideas in order to make computer-generated images of your ring and a 3D rendering to review. Once the images look exactly how you want them to, our custom workshop will 3D print a wax replica of your ring so that you can hold it in your hands and really get the feel of how it will turn out. Once you absolutely love your design and your wax replica, our custom workshop will begin to melt and pour the metals in order to bring your ring to life. It's so cool. They will then carefully set each diamond or gemstone by hand and tighten the prongs so that your diamonds are safe and secure. The final step for our custom workshop is to clean, polish, and shine your ring so that it sparkles for a lifetime. If you're interested in creating a beautiful, one-of-a-kind, fully custom ring, visit us in-store or set up a virtual appointment to start your consultation today. We can't wait to get started.